Welcome to Listaso. Having your very own e-commerce is one of the best things you can start doing with your business. Imagine an easy, simple way for your customers to go to a website or download an app and be able to purchase anything from your entire catalog in seconds. Anywhere, at any time, 24/7, whether you're open or not, your website, your e-commerce is going to be open all the time at no extra cost. If you have customers that are very far away and it's just too expensive to visit them, to have somebody actually go there, take an order, and then deliver the product, having an e-commerce, whether it's on the web or through a mobile app, will help you solve so many issues and also increase your profit margin, because it allows you to have customers. Pretty much anybody that has an internet connection will be able to find you. So let's go ahead and go through our e-commerce, both web and mobile, so you can see all the features and all the benefits that we have to offer for your business. Let's get started. Let's go ahead and see our web e-commerce first. Your customers will be able to log in to this website with their username and password that you provide, and everything here is connected directly to your ERP or our web admin back office. So that means that all your products, pricing information, specials even, catalog, everything will be synchronized immediately with our e-commerce, the same way that your sales reps out on the road are looking at our sales system. So directly from here, your customer is going to be able to pick and choose through all your products. There's a couple different views that they can choose from, so you can see specifically, the way that they want. We even have the option for your products to disappear from the e-commerce if there's no stock available. So that way, if you don't have or you don't want something to be sold to customers because there's low stock or any other reason, you can just go ahead and make sure that they're not on the system. So from here, we'll just go ahead and choose a couple of these and these. We'll go ahead and add them and add here to the cart. Once they're ready to go ahead and continue and place the order, you can just go to the little cart here. And from here, your customers will be able to select their billing and shipping address if they have several ones. Also, directly from the e-commerce, they'll be able to see their product history, what they purchased, how much they purchased, and when. So it's very important to keep track of. So from here, we'll go ahead and select the address here. Go to checkout. And now they can add any comment they want. And enter the name of the person that's actually creating the order. Place order, confirm. And that's it. You're good to go with our web app. Now, let's take a look at our mobile version of our e-commerce app. Now, directly from here, the same way that you just saw, that your customer can go online and with their username and password, go into your website, they can just download the app to any Android or iOS device, and they'll be able to get the same information. So from here, as you can see on the screen, we'll go to new order. We have the whole catalog of products right here for your customers choosing. So you can just go ahead and select the product that they want to add. They can search through categories, use a Bluetooth scanner even, and sort the items according to their needs, and just select whatever they want, like this, real quickly. Then we can go to the cart. We can see our cart right here in case they want to change something. I don't want this anymore. Anything else, they want to add a little bit more of something. We'll go back. We can go ahead and get the customer signature. And now We can even add notes to this as well. So the same way as the other, deliver before 10 a.m. on Monday. See. That way, your customer knows that all their notes, all the information is right here. As soon as they're done, they can go ahead and place the order, approve, yes, and it'll automatically synchronize with your system, so you'll get all the information. Best of all, we have an option as well for you, so you can go ahead and receive an email. Every time a customer places an order, you'll get an email notifying you of the order that was placed, so you can keep track of those as well. As you saw, our business-to-business e-commerce is designed to give your customers the best experience possible, easy to use, and fast. That means that your customer, whether they're on a computer or with their phone, their smartphone, or anywhere they are, they can go into the app, go into your website, and place an order for all your products. Easy, simple, fast. That's the way that we want to make sure that your customers keep returning to your business and your business to keep growing. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates as always, and visit our website to schedule a demo. In case you have any questions, you want to see a little bit more, you want to go ahead and get a demo, make sure to visit our website and contact us. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time.